If you wish to make a file or folder read-only or hidden in your system, then either read through this article on the website or simply watch this video. I will guide you through the procedure. Right-click on the file or folder and select Show More Options. In the next list, select Properties. In the Properties window, go to the General tab. Now, in the Attributes section, you will find the checkboxes for Hidden and Read Only. Please check the same according to your requirements. Isn't this easy and interesting? If you have any doubts, please go to the original article on the Windows Club and write your question. We will surely answer it. Thank you for watching this video. Have a nice day.